Hello everyone, welcome back again to VariCAD channel. Today we are going to create a 2D part with VariCAD 2021. Okay, first I will create a rectangle object. Start from this point. You can press tab button. We can set for x-axis into 50 and for y-axis into 5. You can click OK. The next I will copy this object. You can select and we can use this tool. Move from this point into here. You can set into copy options and click OK. I will select this object, so right click and choose rotate tools. You can rotate from this point with rotation angle 90 degree. Click OK. Now we can move this object from this point into this point. In here we can set into move options. Click OK. We can move again this object to the top. We can set into 70, and the next we can move this object to the left here. We can set into 20. You can click OK. The next I will create rectangle objects, arch objects. You can use these tools, arch from 2 points. We can set radius into 30. Click OK. Now I will use these options, distance from line and point. You can click start from this point. Move to the right here. We can set into 10 for distance. Click OK. Click again these tools and we can click from these points to the top here. We can set into 10. You can click OK. Now we can click at this point. I will use offset tools. We can offset with increment 3. Click OK, select these objects and click at this point. In here I will create line, start from this point, move into here, create again from this point, move into this point. The next I will use offset tool again. You can use these tools offset, and you can set for increment into 24. Click OK. Select these objects and select at this point. We offset again with increment 3. OK, and you can click this object, click at this point. The next we can create lines again. Start from this point into here, and we can click start from this point into this point. You can right click. I will use a split tools to split this line objects. You can use these tools. Remove a segment. Click at this point into here and click the lines to delete. Click again at this point. You can delete. Okay, now in here you can select from these points into here and delete, and from this point into this point click line to delete. The next I will attach hatch into this sketch. You can click here hatch and we can select at these regions, and also in here you can press space to apply. Now for hatch distance we can set into 2. You can click OK, so it will be automatically hatch. You also can change for hatch color. Click the hatch and use this tool, change color. We can set into this color and you can see it will be changed the color. Now finally we can insert a dimension into this to this sketch. You can click here. You can use horizontal dimensions. Click from this point into here and move at this point. We click again at this point. Okay, from this point into here. The next in here, from this point into this point. And now for vertical you can use these tools, vertical dimension. Set from this point into here. Also at this point for vertical, click from this point into here, and from this point into this point. Okay. Finally, we can create again with these tools, reduce dimension. You can click this arch, move into here, click at this point into here. Now from this point into this point and in here. Okay, we already create this simple 2D part designs with VariCAD 2021. If you have any question about these tutorials, you can comment below this video.